Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can change username on Pinterest. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap in Open Pinterest application, then get logged in into your account by providing correct account credential. Now here at the homepage of Pinterest, you can see the profile icon on bottom of right corner. You tap on it. Inside your profile, you can see three dotted line on top right side of the screen. You tap on it. There you can see the option of Edit Public Profile. You tap on it. Now here at the third option, you can see Username. You tap on it. Then you go in for erasing the current username. Then go in for providing a new username. After you provide a new username, you need to tap on Done to save the changes. So you tap on Done on top right side of the screen. Now you refresh the page once. And with that, the username has been successfully changed. Hope this video is truthful for you all on how you can change username on Pinterest. Thank you.